How to add Instagram notes on Reels and Post. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login at the Late. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to add Instagram notes on Reels and Post, simply launch Instagram app on the device. Make sure to log into your account and simply head towards any particular reel or video or simply post where you want to add Instagram notes. Suppose if this is the real video that I want to add Instagram notes on, tap share icon at bottom right corner of this note. At bottom left corner, you will find add note option. Tap on it. And now simply you can type in any message and then you need to simply tap on the share button. Even you can add the emojis, and before that you can select the followers you follow back and choose whether you want to share with followers or close friends. And after that you can tap on share button and then your notes on Instagram reel or post will be added. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.